Hello friends, welcome back to Prajwalita's kitchen. Our today's menu is a restaurant style delightful Kaju masala curry recipe. So let's start. Heat a griddle on a medium flame. Add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Add 100 grams of Kaju in it. Roast till it turns slightly golden in color. It will just take 2 minutes. Take it out. Now in the same pan add 1 bay leaf, 3 to 4 red chillies, 3 to 4 green Caradmom, 2 star anise, 1 Jaypatri, 2 Clove, 4 to 5 black pepper. Now roast till the aroma releases from the spices. Now add 2 chopped onion. Saute till it turns translucent. Add 5 to 6 garlic clove, 2 to 3 inch ginger. Again saute it for 2 minutes. Now add 2 chopped tomato. Followed by salt to taste. Mix it and simmer for 7 to 8 minutes till the tomatoes become completely mashy. Now allow to cool it. After cooling, take it out in a blender jar. Remove the bay leaf while blending. Add half amount of Kaju which we have already fried earlier in a jar. Now blend the masala to form a smooth paste as shown. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water if required while blending. Now in the same pan add 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee on a low flame. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder and saute for 30 seconds on a low flame. Add a blended masala and saute for 2 minutes. Now add water to make a gravy as per the consistency you prefer. Here I am making a medium consistency of gravy. Now add salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of sugar. Remember we have already added a salt in the masala before blending. Now add remaining half amount of Kaju and simmer it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of Garam masala, 1 teaspoon of Kasuri methi, fresh coriander and turn off the flame. Give it a nice mix. And it's time to take it out in serving bowl. Garnish it with some decorative Kaju and fresh coriander. And here we go, our restaurant style Kaju masala curry is ready to serve. Give this recipe a try at home and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!